Привет! I'm your Russian teacher Alicia. So today we are going to talk about how to say goodbye in Russian, but not just до свидания. Oh no, we have many ways for all kinds of situations. So let's start with the classic one, до свидания, the classic goodbye. До свидания, до свидания, until next time. First, the formal, polite, textbook goodbye. До свидания. It literally means until we meet again. It's perfect for work, talking with strangers, informal emails. For example, office work on the phone. Спасибо за звонок. До свидания. Thank you for the call. Goodbye. Next one is пока. Пока. It's a casual goodbye. Пока. If you are talking to friends, до свидания sounds way too serious. Say instead пока. 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 It will sound like bye, but very relaxed. See ya. Like friend on the phone. Ладно, я пошел. Пока. Alright, I'm off. Bye. Увидимся. 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 See you. Want to sound like a native? Use увидимся. It works great after classes, at parties, after hanging out, two friends waving after a meetup. Увидимся завтра. See you tomorrow. Увидимся завтра. Увидимся завтра. До скорого. До скорого. До скорого. See you soon. До скорого. Two friends are at a cafe. Ну все, я побежал. До скорого. Ну все, я побежал. До скорого. Alright, I'm off. See you soon. But that's not all. Russians love variety. Here are a few more you might hear. Счастливо, счастливо, kind of stay happy. Прощай, прощай. It's very dramatic, only for serious farewells like in the movies. Think, прощай, мой друг. Farewell, my friend. But honestly, don't use прощай in everyday life unless you want to sound like a poet. Прощай. The meaning maybe is that you will not see each other anymore. Never, ever. Прощай. In Russia, sometimes goodbye is just a nod, a wave, or a handshake, especially with men. Firm handshake, eye contact. With friends, big hug, or just a casual wave. So you can repeat after me now. До свидания. Пока. Увидимся. До скорого. Счастливо. Прощай. Of course, no. Прощай. Увидимся. До свидания. До скорой встречи. See you soon. Пока-пока.